Once, grandson of my close friend asked me about, Grandma, you talk so much about Bhagavad Gita all the times, but I don't understand it. Please tell me it in English. I am Marathi medium woman, but by all your support and love, I am going to try it. Please support, encourage, and correct me. Before starting to talk about 7th chapter, let us take a short review of first 6 chapters. First 6 chapters of Bhagavad Gita are about individual, how one can improve one's present condition and come out of chaos due to identity crisis. First chapter of Bhagavad Gita is Arjun Vishad Yogana. There is terrible misery in our life, but misery becomes yoga when it diverges our mind from worldly indulgence to something higher. Then such deluded person does not know how to deal with problem and then goes to wise person and ask for solutions. Sometimes we make it a prestige issue and don't ask and miss many opportunities in our life. So, first we should understand that not knowing anything is not sin. Find a wise person, ask him, and get the direction. So Arjun becomes wise and asks Krishna that I am confused. Tell me the way of coming out of this crisis. The Krishna tells Arjun that we get confusion when we don't do our duties. Depression and dejection is luxury of those who have all the things available very easily. Struggling people do not have time to waste in depression. We don't want to do anything, but remaining calm without doing anything requires great spiritual practice. So Krishna tells Arjun, Tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. That means when we do our duties with full performance, without attachment, but sincerely, we don't have time to depress. Children never get bored, depressed because they are always busy in playing. What damn thing they get, they play with it. But we elderly people restrict them and make them depressed. So, when we keep ourselves busy in our duties, we come out of chaos in our life. But then new questions arise. We feel that I do everything. I have done this much for parents, this much for my brother, this much for my sister. I have done such things for society. I have constructed this building, brought up this school. I poisons very personality, and such person seeks attention, recognition, and appreciation from society. He gets derailed from spiritual path and becomes miserable. Miserable oldie who makes other bored by talking about what he has done. But no one is interested in his past. Everyone is interested in his own future. So they try to avoid him and he becomes very miserable. So here Bhagavan says, Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manne karomichit. There are 2 chapters about karma sannyasa yoga in which teacher tells about idea of giving up doership. All happening is according to divine planning and divine grace, not by our arrogance. In 6th chapter, teacher says, if you want to follow path of karma yoga, path of devotion or path of knowledge, you must make yourself qualified by doing sadhana, that is spiritual practice. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, there are 3 types of practices. For the person who has attained certain level of spirituality, that is Uttama Yogi, for him, Abhyas Vairagyaha Tan Nirodha. He has to make mind out of worldly intelligence, and such mind should be made available for divine power to express. Second person who has not yet attained such level, must try Swadhyaya Tapa Ishvara Pranidhanani Kriya Yoga. He must be doing tapasya. That is, even miseries come in our life, refuse to be miserable. There are some tapasya like Panchagni Sadhan explained in Bhagavad Mahapuran, that in summer days ignite Yajna Kunda all around and still sit with smiling face in it. That is tapasya. This tapasya is for making ourselves detached from the misery of outer world and remaining calm. Then he practiced not to be get disturbed by outerly world. Then Swadhyaya, that is means study about ourselves, how I behave in certain circumstances where my ego make me miserable. Am I able to make others happy, or thinking about myself all the time? And then Ishwar Pranidhanani, some divine plan is happening. I have to do my part carefully and correctly, otherwise that divine plan will reject me from his work. Someone is always there to help me if I work according to divine plan and play my role effectively and correctly. This faith in divine power is Ishwar Pranidhan. But firstly, for all this, we have to control our mind by Ashtanga Sadhana, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Dhyana, Dharana, Samadhi. That is Yama Sadhana to Sanyama Sadhana. Then our mind becomes fully available to us wherever we want, for what that time we require, and for those many times we want. Thus, in first 6 chapters, teacher tells how to control our all faculties and come out of confusion and chaos due to delusion and perform dynamically in this world. In the end of 6th chapter, Krishna tells that for further improvement, you have to develop a quality of faith in you. Let us see what he tells about it in next